LINZ, or Land Information, is one of those departments that kind of flies under the radar, but the work we do is crucial to the wealth creation and the equity in this country.
LINZ is rebuilding Landonline because it's 20 years old and the technology doesn't allow us to be responsive to our customers.
The Landonline system we've had since 1998 is a world first in that it's a digital register of land ownership and survey information for guaranteeing certainty in property rights.
It's the national record of title for land in New Zealand.
The Landonline system is the only way New Zealanders can buy and sell property, so it's critical to our everyday lives. The Landonline rebuild project is being run internally, so we're building a team within LINZ using agile practices, and we need people that can wear many hats and problem solve with our customers to come up with a great solution.
So the upgrade will happen over a program of work. It will take 5 years. It's broken down into 4 stages, and in that first stage they're going to enable New Zealanders to order a copy of their title directly from the LINZ website.
As a developer, what interests me the most is getting to work on interesting subject areas. Landonline is incredibly important to New Zealanders. To get the opportunity to build a new version using modern technologies in an agile way is very exciting.
We work together in teams and we achieve so much more by the sharing of skills.
The work I do here actually really means something out in the real world.
That's why I stay here. It just keeps evolving. It keeps being a place you want to be at.
We're really excited about the challenges ahead.